I'd like to address myself to the Filipino people. I decided to declare a unilateral ceasefire because I know that the Philippines needs peace to survive in the coming generations. Actually, it is not for us na nagtatrabaho tayo dito, including you, but it is for our children. I have dealt with everybody in good faith. I've never foisted a lie. Hindi ko trabaho yan because it is not the obligation of the president to lie. Hindi ko, not part of my mandate ng magsisinungaling. So I decided to declare the ceasefire with the NDF, CPP, and PA. Nauna ako. And many days ago, ang reply ng komunista is parang defensive position. They naman stand down. You know, that is not a good response. Alam mo nila ang sitwasyon. Hindi nila kailangan mag-aral pa. All they have to do is to count the body bags. Mga namatay sa kanila, pati yung sa gobyerno. I was expecting that they would also reciprocate my implorings for peace with the ceasefire on their side. At least yun ang sagot sana nila. Eh, ang problema nito, hindi ko malaman ngayon whether they are into really it for peace or dinajaming nila ako. So I'd like to issue this statement. Hindi ako kayo tinatakot. Pag ayaw ninyo, okay sa akin. We fight for another generation, okay sa akin. Wala na akong magawa. Even before I became president, makakausap tayo, ako yung pumupunta dito, kinukuha ko yung mga bihag na sundalo, mga pulis. So, but in return, you had access to the city of Davao. Walang gumagalaw sa inyo. May mamatay nga sa inyo, ako pa ang nagpapagador, and I had to tell the military, you know, we cannot win this war by violence. It is not really the way to civilization. Walang mananalo dito, puro maghirap. No, sa panahon ko ayaw ninyo, pasensya. But I'm trying to seek peace with everybody, MIMN. Huwag lang yung mga kriminal. Abu Sayyaf is out of the question. Ito lang may driven by ideology. For example, sabi ng mga Muslim na mga Moro dito sa Mindanao, inagaw ang mga... But anyway, yes, because it is a product of imperialism. Ang una dito, mga Espanyol, sila naman yung nag-agaw, hindi naman kami. Kami kapatid ninyo. Magkaparehong mukha natin halos. Tignan mo ako sa malayo, akala mo MN ako. Tignan mo ako sa distansya, you'll be surprised na kamukha ko yung MI commander ninyo. Because we are all Malay. Problem is, nauna yung Islam sa Mindanao, then came Christianity. So there's really a problem. And it has overtaken so many centuries. Ito namang CPP-NP, I was a student, I was there. I was really a spectator of how it evolved. So alam ko ngayon, it's fundamentally wrong for the Filipino to kill a citizen and for the rebels to wage a war that is... Wala. Ano ba? Ilang taon na? You cannot even occupy a barangay. Tapos bigyan ninyo ako ng... Gusto ko magmura. I dealt with you in good faith. You tell me if you are not ready to deal in the same manner. Dali lang mag-ceasefire. Ako isang salita lang, informal pa. I said, you know, it's about time that we stop the killing. There is mga implorings natin sa Diyos na gusto natin manahimik ng buhay. So, God. Ilan na namatay ng Pilipino? Sinong pumatay? Pilipino rin. Ang problema sa inyo, you carry the element of hate. Diskumpiyado kayo, tell me that I will order the army on police out of the mountains. That is out of the question. Sinabi ko na yan sa inyo noon at the start kay Agkawili. It is not an issue at all because ayaw ko makipag-usap ng ang may-ari nitong lupa dito lahat, Republic of the Philippines, the people of the Philippines. Ang pambaba nila, the spokesman is me because I am the elected leader of this nation. Sana nga kung hindi ako, di mabuti I give it to somebody else. So I am asking you, are you ready to declare a ceasefire o hindi? I will, alas 5 ng hapon, I will wait for that declaration alas 5 rin bukas ng hapon. That's a good thing. If I don't get the word from you, then I will lift the order of ceasefire. I cannot withdraw any soldier or policeman dito sa bukid. Ang mabuti nito is you have my solemn guarantee. Di, barilin ninyo ako. I'll face you someday. O gusto nyo, punta tayo ka oras. Ngayon na. I'm willing to do that. Wala akong problema. I can order the military na, huwag kayong magsama-sama sa akin. I'll go to Oris if he wants. Ano ba gusto niya? Ano ba gusto ninyo? I'm going out of my way. Nandyan yung road to, gumanon ako just to express to you the need for peace. Kasi we have to develop Mindanao hanggang may gera dito. Yung mga tao na yan, gutom yan. Anak na. Kasi pagkakala ninyo, hindi kaya ng gobyerno namin. Will you try me? Ngay pag ayaw na, barilin mo ako. Tutanda ka, wala mo lakad ako ng gabi. Then kill me if I am wrong. It's your take. Nandito ang media, I will wait. I cannot tarry. Why would I place the lives of my soldier in jeopardy? Maghintay sila ngayon, o di magpatrol yan. Sino hinanap? Yung kidnapper, mga drug pusher, mga lahat. Sinabi ko sila, drug pusher, kasali yan sa order of battle. Di ba sinabi ko kayo, wala namang ako nalaman nga. I have requested you to help me in the fight against drugs. You expressed that desire. Mabuti pang MILF. Sabi nila, makisali sila. At least, may narinig ako na, I don't know, if I'm wrong, correct me, but execution. Good. Kasi isang na, ano dyan eh. Sabi dito, tayo daldal ng, ano ba yung nagbubulahan tayo. I am simply not up to it. Yung lukuhan. Sa katanda, tuwa na dito, maglalaro ko ba tayo ng patay dyan. Tignan mo, gastos ha. This is the way I protect them. The Office of the President will extend financial assistance sa namatay. 250,000. Those killed in action. Personal suffering, sustaining major injuries, 50,000. Kung minor. Wounded, 100,000. Kita mo ang gastos ko? Bala ninyo, ilan ito? 250, 100, 350. Di 400, pakain mo na sana yung walang kain dito. This is the cost. Hindi mo kayo bumabayad ng buwis. Kayo nga naghihingi dito sa lahat dito. Banana, huwag tayo magbulan. Banana, pineapple. So ako, gano'n rin ang tulong ko sa sundalo ng gobyerno. Ay, kayo. Sabi mo, marami ang happening nyo si ano, yung congressman nila, marami ang Jesus. Marami mo yan dito. Alam mo, sa totoo lang. Ito ano. I'd like to address myself to it. Kung ako, ayaw ko magpunko. Bakit? Magastos. It will run into billions. Sa National Security Council, kasabi ko, easily I'll be spending like about 200-300 billion. Napakasayang ng pera. Sabi ko, yung Congress na lang. Sabi ko, kayo, Pilipino man kayo. Kaya ba ninyong talikuran ang bayan ninyo? Ganong kadali, di ipagbili na natin itong Pilipinas. But ako, I have trust. Itong mga senador, mga ano, baski na anong sabihin mo, pinili ng mga tao yan. That is the essence of democracy. We elect leaders. Mga senador niyan, ilang dekada na. It means to say, ang tao may trust. Because you look at the con us with distrust. Para rin sabihin, magnanakaw mo yan sila. You know, you do not have any monopoly of anything in this planet. Kung masyado magdali ng salita o insulto na, kasi wag yan, kung gusto mo, wag na ako. And besides, I'll be there. Hindi naman ako tanga, pagpapayag ako ng konstitusyon na anti-Pilipino. Yan ang masahan ninyo. That is the job of the President. If worse comes to worse, alam nila ang anong mangyari sa kanila pag binastos nila ang Pilipino. I will not allow it. I will not allow it. So, you can only come up with a constitution that is responsive to the will of the people. And I will be there to read what you have worked on. Itong party list, it will never come again. Bago ang constitution, I will insist, no party list. Inabuso lahat yan. Na pati mga mayaman, ang nananalo yung may pera, representing the what? Security guards. That's the mockery of the law. Yan talaga ang pinaka-bastos magawa mo. Kasi ikaw yung pera, mabili ka ng ano dyan, ano ba yung ano mo? United Idiots Association. Tatakbo, ayan. Nagkalat kayo dyan na kayong mga left, nandyan, marami kayo. Are you not really worried about what happens to the next generation? Hindi ba nyo pag-isip yung mga anak ninyo? Same manner itong droga. Putang ina. You will destroy the next generation. They will never find peace. With the threat of ISIS looming in the horizon. May Abu Sayyaf dyan, which affiliated with the ISIS. Do you think we will have a comfortable tomorrow? Tapos, dagdagan pa ninyo. Di sige. Total, ito mga sundalo naman, ito yung trabaho. Nagtitrain ka, pumatay. They are trying to kill. See, if you want killing, fine. Let's do it. Tayo magkaibigan. Alam naman ninyo, hindi talaga ako nun. But people, including the military, suspected many years ago. I'm a Filipino, period. I love my country, period. I will work for my country, period. I will die for my country, period. I do not belong to anybody. No party or ideology owns me. Yung existence ko sa pagkatao, it is God-given. Only God who can tell me what I should be or what I would espouse to my fellow. Buti ang maklaro. Ako di ako galit. Pero that there's a cadaver there. Taga rito yan. Ano mo sa totoo? Ang ideology dapat ang bumaba. It's not the physical person. Yan ang alisin natin. Kalamara. Hindi naman kalamara kasi walang sundalo. Yung pro-government. Yung anti-government. Yung mag-aaway na. That's very sad because government, walang magawa ang gobyerno. Sabi yung mga sundalo, siyempre, yung ano na-influence na nila because there is a huwag tayo magbulahan. May idea dito, sinusugpo ng gobyerno yan because to us, that is destructive. The idea of the ideology that you're bringing in is not acceptable to us. Kasi kung mabuti yan, kung magpapaganda ng buhay sa Pilipinas, dagdagan ko pa tayo, sige, sabay tayo. Ngayon, kung wala ang sundalo naman, mobile There's never enough soldiers also to guard every inch of this island, even Davao City. So, kahit pang paramilitary, that's a natural offshoot. Because in a war, it is numbers, superiority of numbers, and labanan sa idea. Kayo naman, ilang mga dato na, last time, inambos. Kaya sabi ko, let me end by saying, deal with us, deal with me in government in good faith. Wala tayong bulahan. Because I have shown already many years ago my sincerity and I've been selling this idea to you. We need to stop fighting. That's why I accommodated everybody. Marami nang left na dyan sa gobyerno. But what I cannot give you, good as any other time to say now, yung police pati military akin talaga. Nobody intrudes in that territory. All others, inyo na. I'm offering to you almost everything. Wag lang police military. It's out of the question. Pag ayaw niyong tanggapin yan. So, thank you.